Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can share a time work report in HubStaff. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.hubstaff.com and log into your HubStaff account. After going on the main screen, you're going to set your focus on the left panel and then you're going to click on Reports. From here, we're going to click on Time and Activity. And this is where we can share our time work report. So first, we would see on what data will we group our report. Is it per day, per week, per project, per member, per task, per team, or even per client? And then we can set the date right here. For today, yesterday, for the last 7 days, a week, 2 weeks, this month, or last month. And then, we can also filter right here if it's for all members, for all projects, for specific projects, specific teams, clients, and tasks. And after that, you can see right here, this is our time report. So, there are two ways on how we can share this. First is to download it either by CSV or through PDF, or we can send it to the email that we will type in here, put in a subject, put in a message, and then choose the file type of whether it's going to be a PDF or a CSV. Then after choosing, click on Send. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!